Take your existing images from your product listing, animate them in Amazon's Creative Studio, drop them into Canva, and create a sponsored ad video that you can use for your advertising campaigns. You can click the button to create a video ad, and I'm going to go into one that I already created just to make this simplified for us. So this is one that I created for my puzzle brand. I grabbed the banners we created for the A+ content. You can see here, this is one of the banners. I uploaded 4 of them, and I said, make a sponsored brand video, use only these images, animate the images, and keep the same styling because I want everything to be on brand and matching. I went ahead and said, I'll go ahead and create the storyboard and create the scenes. Would you like me to add motion using our shortest, standard, or longest waiting time? I personally always choose standard. It created these scenes, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. On the right-hand sidebar, you can just click and see what they did here. So how amazing is that? It just quickly was able to create this animation. And then here you can see another one where this girl's drinking the coffee and it's just sliding through this gallery view. I love this. And let's take a look at one more. So now that I have these graphics, you can see that one has a hole in the box. Like I can't use that one, but I can use the first second of it, the first 1 or 2 seconds. And that's really all you need is just 1 second of your images in motion and stitch them together into a video. So to show you what that looks like, I downloaded these individual clips and came into Canva and grabbed a template. This is a standard template in Canva. If you search for Amazon sponsored brand video, it'll pull up a bunch of different Canva video templates. So I grabbed this one, and you can see this one out of the box is really beautiful. The colors are already kind of on brand. They're very similar to the colors that I already have for my puzzle brand. It has these really interesting shapes, which goes along with the puzzle. And then I can easily change these graphics. You can do a lot of this type of editing inside of the Creative Studio. I just personally wanted more control and I wanted to move a lot quicker. I didn't want to go back and forth with the chat. I got the clips that I wanted. For me, it's just easier to drop them into a template, make these quick adjustments, and then I ended up with something like this. I'm actually going to scroll through to show you. This is the original template. You can see here it's got these animations already built in. All I have to do is drop in my videos into these little squares. You can see here, this is the actual finished product. So I just grabbed those video clips, dropped them in here, and now I have a video that is ready to go, ready to upload, ready to try. This is something that any brand can do really easily and create multiple different videos using a combination of tools like this. Hope this helps.